Welcome to the Traders Help Desk Online video collection. In this video, I am in a long position on the Russell, and this yellow line here shows you the entry price at 735.2. You can see that the index meter is increasing, and you can also see that on the 1080, and this is kind of unusual to see this, but the 1080 is actually showing you that the ADX line is starting to increase on the higher time frame, not on the lower, but on the higher. We do have an unusual situation this morning in that the pending home sales were supposed to be released at 10 o'clock, and they have decided to release it at 12:30. Quite unusual. We normally do not have that happen. Okay, now you see confirmation on the 360 that the ADX is in fact starting to increase. But very unique situation this morning in that the higher time frame, the 1080, actually showed it first. Now, if we really wanted to get fancy on this, we can copy that window and paste it right over here. Take this down to a 180 tick. And this way we can see the ADX and the RSI values on the short term, the medium term, and the long term. And you do this when you're trying to get more out of a trade than just Clipper 1. In other words, if I want to stay in this with 3 contracts, this is what I look at. can see over on the RSI 180 tick, you're getting the zero line reject as it stands right now. ADX tells me it has done exactly what it was supposed to do, and that it made an ADX peak and then it came back to the ATR stop. The RSI is giving you advance notice that there may be a zero line reject, which means price will go higher. You see that you're getting the bright blue back in on the shorter term as well as the medium term chart here. Now, if I was trading this to see how much I could get out of it, I would actually move my stop up to one tick below that. So that low here was 736.5. So your stop would be at 736.40, which I can't get that horizontal line to plot exactly on that, so that's as close as I can get. And we just had confirmed divergence as well, so I'm going to exit at 736.7.